Morning everyone. Today I'm received a new package from Amazon. Actually arrived a few days ago, and I'll be filming with my new DJI Nano camera. Very good. Okay, so it's only a small package from Amazon, but very good. As usual, because I've got a Prime account with Amazon, I usually get my packages fairly quickly, usually the next day or 2 days after the purchase, which is always very good, very exciting. Alright, so today I've got a new case that I bought for my iPhone 16 Pro. That's the phone there. Oops. Yeah, that's my phone right there. And this is the package. So the reason for this purchase is so I can use my phone and record POV footage. Okay, so that's the package. That's really nice. Little plastic where it came on. All right, so looks like there's two parts to it. There's the main rugged cover. We'll give that a try now. We'll give that a try. So I'll remove this. My iPhone, as you can see, and we'll fit this one in, see how it goes. Yeah, seems to be fitting pretty well. A pretty solid material, as you can see. Close the shot, pretty thick. And now this one, this next one seems to be going on the front bit. So this slides in first. Alright, so yeah, the purpose is that the camera is facing forward. Now I've got this clip, so I can just wear it on my belt, I guess, or anywhere. The clip is looks pretty solid, pretty sturdy. And I still have access to all my buttons, to the exception of the camera button, which is on the side in here. It's a bit receded there, so I'm still going to give it a try, see if that will work. Now, let's have a look. Yeah, but I can always turn it on beforehand. And now the only problem with these that I'm seeing now, oh yeah, I was just thinking I can't see the screen because it's all covered, but I've got an Apple Watch, so I can access my camera, which I'll show you guys now. I'll be able to access my camera from here. there you go. We are on, and that's film myself with the DJI, wearing the DJI. This is pretty cool. I'll make a better review of the DJI. I've purchased this DJI camera probably a week or so ago, a few days at least. So I'll be making a review, detailed review. But yeah, so this is the clip, and I'm now filming from my iPhone and monitoring on my Apple Watch, so that looks pretty good. So there you go. Okay, it looks, like I said, it looks pretty sturdy, solid build, just hard plastic. There's no cover for the lenses in here. Maybe something that I would look into buying separate, but there's nothing that came in the package. But other than that, that looks pretty good. So I give my thumbs up for this product. Thank you guys, and see you next time.